Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about OneMain BrightWay Credit Card. Alright, so let's begin. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit while earning rewards, the OneMain BrightWay Credit Card might be worth considering. Issued by WayBank, this unsecured credit card is tailored for individuals with limited or poor credit history, providing a way to establish responsible credit behavior without the need for a security deposit. So, in order to determine if the BrightWay credit card is the right choice for you, you have to follow these steps. The BrightWay card offers unlimited 1% cash back on every purchase, which is automatically applied as a statement credit. This flat rate reward structure makes it simple and consistent, especially for those new to managing a credit card. It also reports to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which is critical if your goal is to build a positive credit profile over time through on-time payments and low balances. What makes the BrightWay card stand out is its milestone benefits program. After making 6 consecutive on-time payments, you may qualify for either an interest rate reduction or a credit limit increase. This built-in incentive rewards responsible use and gives you something to work toward. If you achieve 4 milestone events, you may even be eligible to upgrade to the BrightWay Plus card, which comes with no annual fee and better overall terms. However, there are some costs to be aware of. The BrightWay card has a variable annual fee ranging from $0 to $89 based on your creditworthiness. Its APR is high at around 35.99%, which means carrying a balance can get expensive quickly. There's also a 1% foreign transaction fee, which isn't terrible, but could be a factor if you plan to use the card abroad. Initial credit limits typically range between $300 and $2,000, with potential for increases based on account performance. You can manage the card through a dedicated mobile app, which allows you to track purchases, make payments, and view rewards in real time. In summary, the OneMain BrightWay Credit Card is a practical option for those focused on building credit and earning modest rewards. Its milestone benefits and upgrade potential make it more appealing than some other beginner cards. Just be sure to pay in full and avoid interest charges. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.